Hey creators, filmmakers, musicians, writers, digital dreamers, this one's for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 biggest mistakes that creative entrepreneurs make when they let the old system, the so-called establishment, convince them not to leverage AI. Let's be clear, the ivory tower has fallen. They just don't want you to realize it yet. In the world of creativity, there's a shift happening, a revolution, and the old gatekeepers don't want you to see it. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1, believing they still need permission to create. The old world said, wait for a record label, wait for a film studio, submit your screenplay, win an Oscar to be considered great. No more. You don't need a gatekeeper, you need a vision, a story, and the right tools. Mistake number 2, chasing validation through awards like Oscars, Emmys, or Grammys. These institutions once held all the power, and while some of the participants are good people, creators can create their own unbiased acknowledgement ceremonies. The old establishment doesn't have to be the only game in town. Real power is in impact. Real value is in connection. And guess what? You can now create AI-generated films, music videos, and performances without any permission. If your story's powerful, the people will follow. Direct-to-consumer is the new red carpet. Mistake number 3, letting AI do all the work instead of co-creating with it. We're not living in the Wall-E movie. We're not here to get lazy. We're not trying to replace our creativity. We're here to elevate it. Use AI to help structure, organize, animate, sing, score, edit, and publish. But don't lose your voice in the process. AI is not the artist. You are. Mistake number 4, not realizing the power they already hold in their hands. You have access to YouTube. You have access to TikTok. You have access to Meta ads, Google ads, and the global marketplace. You can build your own streaming platform with AI. You can drive your own traffic. You can go viral without a middleman. The old gatekeepers used to own distribution, not anymore. Mistake number 5, forgetting that imagination beats algorithms. The AI can generate, but it cannot originate. You bring the soul, the flavor, the twist, the vision. Never forget, AI didn't create itself. You created it, and you are still the director. AI should assist your imagination, not override it. Mistake number 6, letting fear-mongering media or legacy voices scare them out of experimenting. They'll say, AI will destroy jobs. AI is dangerous. AI can't create real art. Here's what they're really saying. We're scared you'll realize you don't need us anymore. Mistake number 7, waiting for the tools to be perfect instead of creating with what they have now. You don't have to wait for Hollywood-quality AI. You just need consistency, authenticity, and vision. Right now, you can. Write the script, generate a singer, animate a full video, market it, monetize it, stream it, repeat it, all from your laptop, all without permission, all with your imagination driving the engine. The ivory tower is trembling. The gatekeepers are nervous. The rules have changed. You are the creator, the studio, the label, the streaming service, and the network, all in one. Let AI assist you, but let your vision lead. You don't work for AI. AI works for you. You're not becoming obsolete. You're becoming unstoppable. Don't wait for permission. Don't worship the old systems. Build, create, release, monetize. The future belongs to the independent creator. And another very important piece to all of this is, I'm not just telling you this works. I've collected real examples of other creators who cracked the AI code. Click the link in the description or on screen to see it for yourself. If this inspired you, like and share this with another creative mind that needs to wake up to this new wave. And if you're ready to take back your creative power, subscribe now.